Hello and welcome to our YouTube channel. Owen here, and today, we're diving into the exciting world of paid advertising. Get ready to unleash the power of Google Ads, Facebook ads, and more, as we explore how to use them effectively for affiliate marketing. Let's get started. Step 1. Understanding paid advertising channels. Host. Before we jump into the nitty-gritty, let's have a quick overview of the various paid advertising channels available. The two most popular ones are Google Ads and Facebook ads. Google Ads allows you to display your ads on Google search results and partner websites, while Facebook ads lets you target specific audiences on Facebook and Instagram. These platforms offer robust targeting options and are perfect for affiliate marketers. Step 2. Setting up your Google Ads account. Now, let's get down to business with Google Ads. Here's how you can set up your account and start running successful campaigns. 1. Visit the Google Ads website and click on Start Now to create an account. 2. Follow the steps to set up your billing information. 3. Define your campaign objectives and choose the type of campaign you want to run. For affiliate marketing, you'll likely choose Search Network or Display Network. 4. Conduct keyword research to find relevant keywords for your campaign. 5. Create compelling ad copy and choose appropriate landing pages. 6. Set your budget and bid strategy, ensuring you optimize for conversions. 7. Launch your campaign and closely monitor its performance. Make adjustments as needed to improve results. Step 3. Utilizing Facebook ads for affiliate marketing, such as the online business app, that has an awesome program for affiliates with 25% commissions for life. Moving on to Facebook ads, here's a step-by-step guide to leveraging this powerful platform. 1. Access the Facebook Ads Manager and create an account if you haven't already. 2. Define your campaign objective based on your affiliate marketing goals, such as driving traffic or generating leads. 3. Determine your target audience by specifying demographics, interests, and behaviors. 4. Craft visually appealing ad creatives and write compelling ad copy. 5. Set your budget and choose the ad placements, such as Facebook Newsfeed or Instagram Stories. 6. Monitor your campaign's performance through the Ads Manager dashboard and make adjustments to maximize your ROI. 7. Don't forget to use Facebook's tracking pixel to measure conversions and optimize your campaigns. Step 4. Exploring other paid advertising channels. While Google Ads and Facebook ads are the heavyweights, don't limit yourself. Explore other paid advertising channels that align with your affiliate marketing goals. Some additional channels to consider include Instagram ads. Tap into Instagram's visual appeal and engage with potential customers through targeted ads. YouTube ads. Leverage the power of video marketing and run ads before or during YouTube videos. LinkedIn ads. Target professionals and decision makers in specific industries using LinkedIn's advertising platform. Twitter ads. Reach a wide range of users and boost engagement through Twitter's ad solutions. Remember, each channel has its unique strengths, so choose the ones that align best with your target audience and affiliate marketing niche. If you like this video, please like, comment and subscribe for more. Step 5. Analyzing and optimizing your campaigns. Finally, it's crucial to regularly analyze and optimize your paid advertising campaigns. Here's what you should do. 1. Monitor key metrics like click-through rates, center, conversion rates, and return on ad spend, ROAS. 2. Identify underperforming ads or keywords and make adjustments to improve their performance. 3. A/B test different ad creatives, copy variations, or landing pages to find what resonates best with your audience. 4. Use tracking tools and analytics platforms to gain insights into user behavior and campaign effectiveness. 5. Continuously refine your targeting to reach the most relevant audience and maximize conversions. Remember, paid advertising is an ongoing process. Stay proactive and adapt your strategies based on real-time data and market trends. Congratulations! You've now learned the basics of using paid advertising channels for affiliate marketing. Remember to experiment, analyze, and optimize your campaigns to achieve the best results. With Google Ads, Facebook ads, and other platforms at your disposal, you have a powerful arsenal to drive traffic, generate leads, and boost conversions. Best of luck on your affiliate marketing journey. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more exciting content and check out the links in the descriptions below. Until next time. Stay awesome out there and see you on the inside.